Hi, it's Richard from Spinner Clean, home of the skyVac. I want to introduce you to our new Loncin SlipStream Pro 20. This is the real beast of our new pressure washers. Lot more power, lot more key features. Let me take you through them. It comes with a 20-inch surface cleaner that you can see here. Enables a pressure of 3,625 pounds per square inch, maxing out at 250 bar. In relation to the cleaning coverage, you're looking for like block paving, 300 square metres per day that you can bang out, paving slabs, 380 square metres in a day, and concrete you're looking about 420 square metres. And it also has a very nice key start feature. So if you've got large commercial contracts, this is the one you want to go for.
What makes the Loncin SlipStream Pro 20 such an ideal pressure washer is the ability to achieve complete precision and ease when carrying out jobs. The Pro 20 can be used for driveways, car parks, patios, paths, paving areas, and much more. The machine is designed to keep waste matter on the ground and not on the operator or surrounding areas. It also features a flow controller so that you have authority over everything the pressure washer does. Visit our website www.spinnerclean.com for more information.